was yesterday's topic.
जिसका माइक बंद हो जाता
Okay, I have muted. I'm at your service. Don't worry. Okay. This was what we have been discussing, but we could not complete. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We wanted to find electric potential at this point P due to this dipole. What makes a dipole?
Okay.
Definition wise, two unlike charges separated by
Yes.
finite distance. What is the arrangement? So plus Q is at a certain distance. Symbol we used as R plus. Negative Q is also at a certain distance. We use the symbol R minus. Who is Del? Who has just joined in? Okay. What is meaning of VP?
potential at P.
Potential at P. Okay. Ushi Amdip Chauhan.
Then V is also representing work done, no, sir?
Work done by unique positive charge. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So generally we speak it as a potential, just potential. It is work done to bring unit positive charge from infinity to a given point. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
K is a constant. What is KQ by R plus? Shall I say it is potential
Potential
U2 plus Q.
plus Q
And same way this is potential due to
minus Q.
minus Q. So corresponding charges and corresponding distances are mentioned. Put down the values. KQ common 1 by R plus minus 1 by R minus. So we are left with VP equal to KQ and the bracket. If I rewrite it here, I can say VP equal to KQ R minus R plus R minus R plus. This is the formula, right? This is called general formula. Why general formula? It will work for all cases. Okay. Now we are going to discuss special case. What is a special case? Point where potential is measured is very
Sir.
far. Yes.
सर
Yes.
दीप को ऐड करो सर.
दीप चौहान को एक बार तो ऐड किया, अभी तो वेटिंग में भी नहीं दिखा रहा है.
सर उसने मुझे कॉल किया अभी सर.
No, ask him to try again. He is not in the meeting, nor
Okay,
is in the waiting room also.
Okay.
Okay. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think notebook was better or this white page is better?
Both are better, sir.
Both are fine. Okay. So how it will look like? Now pay more attention. This is plus Q. This is minus Q. Your point P is here. And so this is going to be r plus, and this is going to be r minus, and this distance is very small compared to that. So we can say this, both the lines are parallel, more or less parallel. Okay. Now, if I drop a perpendicular here, let's say this is M. This distance is, let's say, R. So I'll say R is same as R plus, and that is same as R minus. Because P is actually very, very far, it is not possible to draw this in the diagram. So this measure is, we say, 100 meter is 100.01, 100.02. So all these three can be more or less taken as 100. Do you agree that this is going to be R minus minus R plus? This is
Yes,
that
sir.
additional distance. Why I'm bothered about it? Seeing this far by numerator, what we have? R minus minus R plus. So that's what we are finding here. And let's say this angle is theta.
वो डिस्टेंस कैसे लिए फिर से?
कौन सा डिस्टेंस ये? हेलो,
तो ये सर r माइनस
ये डिस्टेंस ना, ये
हाँ।
जितना इतना मेजर होगा, से लेट्स से दिस इज A and this is B, तो A to P जितना डिस्टेंस होगा उतना ही M to P डिस्टेंस होगा.
ओके.
तो बाकी डिस्टेंस कितना रहा? ये है, दिस टोटल मेजरमेंट इज R माइनस, ये जो डिस्टेंस हुआ वो R प्लस, बाकी कितना रहा? R माइनस माइनस R प्लस. एग्रीड?
यस
Yes sir.
We are left
Thank
with
you.
this diagram. I am drawing it bigger. This is plus Q, minus Q. This angle is theta. This is M, and this we labeled as R minus minus R plus. Right? This was measuring as 2A, if you remember. So if I put it like this, it is projection of 2A on this part. So shall I write R minus R plus equal to 2A cos theta?
यस
Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
it? Okay.
Hmm.
So if I use this formula, if I write it here, then I'll write VP equal to KQ inside bracket in the numerator. It was R minus minus R plus, no? But now in this new
Yes, sir.
condition, I can write 2A cos theta. So this is 2A cos theta. Okay. What was there in denominator? R minus
R minus R plus.
R plus. Okay, now Deep is joining us now. Deep and Dia. Okay. Now here it was R minus and R plus in denominator. What I have written here? Measure of this central line R, measure of R plus, and measure of R minus, all are more or less same. So I can write, instead of R minus, I can write R. Instead of R plus also I can write R. So here it will become R square. You get it? If you do
सर
not
एक बार
follow,
फिर से समझाओ.
फिर से. ये numerator part is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
यस
Okay, in denominator you have got multiplication of R minus and R plus. Agreed? Now back to the
Yes.
diagram. Now measure of R plus is same as R, and measure of R
yes.
minus is also same as R. So for both of them I can write R into R.
यस
So then it will become R square. Are you getting it?
यस
Yes, sir.
So if I write it here, Instead of r minus r plus, I'm writing 2a cos theta, and for this I'm writing r square. Fine.
सर लेकिन न्यूमरेटर में जीरो नहीं कर सकता,
न्यूमरेटर में
जीरो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट सेम है तो
ये तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ना, इसमें
हाँ ऊपर
डिस्टेंस इज नॉन जीरो, अगर जीरो हो गया तो आंसर बिकम्स जीरो फॉर ऑल कंडीशन. पोटेंशियल डज एग्जिस्ट, एंड इफ यू सी इन द डायग्राम,
distance is almost not
सर, लेकिन ये स्पेशल केस की बात
स्पेशल केस
हाँ
की बात
सर,
है.
लेकिन पोटेंशियल देखें ना, पोटेंशियल
finite distance हुआ ना?
हम जीरो ही कंसीडर.
ये डिस्टेंस नॉन नेग्लिजिबल है. ये डिस्टेंस यू आर कंपेरेबली सेम, क्योंकि लार्ज वैल्यू है, सपोज 100, एक है दूसरा है 100.01, एक है 100.02, तो उसके लिए हम 100 लिख सकते हैं, राइट. तो यहाँ पर भी 100 into 100 किया, तो न्यूमरेटर में तो एक ही टर्म है. सपोज इट इज 0.001, वेरी स्मॉल वैल्यू, तो उसको हम नेग्लिजिबल करके जीरो नहीं लिख सकते ना. Are you getting the logic? 0.001
Yes,
is not
sir.
zero. Okay. So we are left with this formula. We had earlier k q r minus r plus r minus r plus. Now in its place I'm writing k q. This was general formula, and now we are discussing is special case. So in that special case you can write 2a cos theta and denominator r square. Okay sir? If
Yes,
I
sir.
rewrite it, I can write k 2aq cos theta divided by r square. Any harm in this?
No sir.
No,
No.
sir. No, right? Okay. What is purpose of putting these three terms in a bracket? What is it?
Dipole.
Dipole.
So kp cos theta upon r square. In which direction it will be pointing? I have asked one ridiculous question.
It is not mentioned.
Somebody is sending message. Khushi Patel. Khushi Patel. What is this? Being a girl, you are using such words. Tell me why I shouldn't kick you out. Khushi Patel. Okay. Khushi Patel is gone. Okay. Do you agree with this formula? Hello? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now let's manipulate this. I asked a question that in which direction potential is pointing, and you are still quiet.
Direction is not mentioned.
Potential is scalar. How it can have direction? Electric field is vector. If I ask you what is direction of electric field, it's a valid question. And why are we dealing with the potential? Because potential being a scalar, it gives us ease of dealing with it. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
People,
Yes.
do you remember when we did?
Sir, मैंने बोला
हाँ बोला था that maybe I did not listen. I'm muting mic so okay, somebody is creating disturbance. Okay, now see here, this was potential due to positive charge, this was potential due to negative charge. Did we bother about direction? We simply added like scalar quantity because potential is scalar, and that's why it is much more easier to deal with potential than the electric. Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we want to do some manipulation here.
Okay.
If I take vector P dot unit vector R, can I write P R cos theta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Magnitude of P is just P, and magnitude of unit vector is always 1
1.
cos theta. So can I write this as P cos theta?
P cos theta.
Yes,
This
sir.
is P cos theta, and here also we have got P cos theta.
एक मिनट सर,
Yes.
आर का मैग्नीट्यूड 1 कैसे?
Unit vector
Unit vector.
अच्छा यू ओके ओके.
is not a whole vector R. Okay. So Vp, I am rewriting. This is Vp equal to K P dot R upon R square. Can I write? Instead of P cos theta, P cos theta, P dot
Yes,
R.
sir.
And that same is here P dot R. So this is scalar version, and this is vector version. Both are one in the same thing. Okay. In textbook you will find instead of K it is written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 P dot unit vector R upon R square. Okay sir?
बट सर हमने स्पेसिफाई किया है कि
P.
पोटेंशियल स्केलर है, तो उसको हमने वेक्टर फॉर्म में कैसे लिखा? तो वेक्टर फॉर्म में
हाँ,
लिखा
क्या
तो
है?
हमने उसकी डायरेक्शन स्पेसिफाई करनी पड़ेगी ना.
नहीं तो यहाँ देखो, यहाँ डॉट दिखाई देता है.
यस.
ये वो क्या रिफ्लेक्ट करता है?
वेक्टर
स्केलर प्रोडक्ट. स्केलर प्रोडक्ट. हैड इट
अच्छा,
बीन
dot.
P क्रॉस R आएगा तो डायरेक्शन का मगजमारी होगा. Okay, so this is dot product or scalar product. Potential is scalar.
ओके.
Okay. Okay. Now let's go further. Now it's your turn to answer. I'll draw a diagram and you will give me answer. This is plus Q. This is minus Q. I want to show dipole moment. Which direction shall I show?
Opposite.
We have
Negative
to negative
Negative to positive.
to positive. This direction.
Positive.
This is P. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
I draw a dotted line here, what is it called? And one vertical dotted line, what this line should
Axis.
be called?
Axis.
This is axis, correct? And what is this? Equator. Chapter 1, my dear.
Yes.
Suppose you have got a point here at equator, P. What will be the potential at equator?
KQ by R.
What is Vp? Just common sense answer, huh? No maths involved. Without entering into any technical intricate part.
0.
0. Perfect. Now rest of you give it a thought why it would be 0.
Sir,
Cos
at
9.
origin.
Origin थोड़ा elaborate करो.
Cos 9.
ये देखो, ये जो distance होगा, ये distance and this distance will be same or different?
Same.
Sir,
Same.
same.
Acha. Because of positive charge, there will be positive potential, and because of negative charge, there will be negative potential.
Negative potential.
Both potential will cancel,
Ah.
so answer will be 0. No Mugachmari at all. Okay. Now let's verify this formula which we have derived is applicable. We had V equal to K P cos theta upon R square. You remember? None of you are
Yes.
Gajini, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Remember.
Now this is from origin. If I draw position vector of this is R, and what is angle between them? P and R.
Degree. 90 degree.
P perpendicular R.
90 degree.
Theta equal to 90 degree. This is original. You can say this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Shall we proceed?
सर
Yes.
हमने मतलब चैप्टर 1 में तो कैलकुलेट किया था डाइपोल एट एक्सियल एंड इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट, तो वो तो नॉन जीरो था. इक्वेटर के क्यू बाय आर था और एक्सियल 2 के क्यू बाय आर था.
हाँ, वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड था गुरु, ये पोटेंशियल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो होल टर्म गॉट चेंज्ड. दोनों एक दूसरे से अलग टाइप की बला है, ठीक है.
पर सर मतलब
इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नॉन जीरो होगा, इसका मतलब पोटेंशियल भी नॉन जीरो ही होगा, ऐसा जरूरी है नहीं है. हम आगे एक आप क्वेश्चन आएगा जिसमें आई एम गोइंग टू इलैबोरेट दैट. ओके, लेफ्ट 10 मिनट्स. ओके,
फिर से कहो ना.
तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन ऐसा था कि इक्वेटर पर एक अलग फार्मूला था, इक्वेटर पर एक अलग फार्मूला था, तो वॉट एवर वी मेजर्ड देयर एट दैट टाइम वाज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मेजरमेंट. What we are measuring right now here is potential measurement. Are you getting? So both are different physical quantity. Okay. So this is
sir,
yes.
E is equal to dV by dr होता है, तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नॉन जीरो है, तो पोटेंशियल जीरो कैसे होगा?
पोटेंशियल जीरो कैसे?
इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नॉन जीरो है क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड dV by dr होता है. तो फिर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नॉन जीरो है, तो फिर पोटेंशियल जीरो कैसे?
अभी दो तरह से समझा, 3 तरीके से. एक वो फॉर्मूला है, एक ये है लॉजिकल कि यार पोटेंशियल क्या होगा, के क्यू बाय लेट्स से दिस आर, राइट. दिस पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू पॉजिटिव चार्ज, द पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज विल बी के माइनस क्यू अपॉन आर. आंसर क्या आएगा?
जीरो.
अच्छा, दूसरी तरफ से देखो, के पी कॉस 90 थीटा इक्वल टू 90 नो, डिवाइडेड बाय cos 90 is 0, so answer is 0. Okay sir?
Yes.
So along the equator potential is 0. From 2 different angles you can get this answer. Okay. Once more, plus q minus q, this distance is 2a. I'm now bothered about this line. This is x-axis or equator. This is origin O. This is dipole moment P. And now you are finding potential at P here. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now formula is again Vp equal to Kp cos theta upon
R square.
So this will be R. So in that case, shall I write P is parallel to R?
Cos 0, 1.
Cos 0 is, so theta equal to 0. So Vp equal to Kp cos 0 upon R square. So potential at P is Kp by R square. Suppose I would have selected a point here. Let's say S. Then
180.
this is R now in downward direction.
Yes.
sir.
P anti-parallel R theta equal to 180.
180 degree. Minus Kp
So Vp
by
equal
R
to
square.
Kp cos 180 divided by R square equal to negative Kp by R square.
R square.
Now your turn. Tell me, जब यहाँ पे लिया था आंसर was positive. जब नीचे लिया आंसर is negative. Why is it like that? I'm
Theta
giving hint here.
into there.
I'm giving hint here.
ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज के पास ज्यादा नजदीक था.
See, plus Q, this P is very close to plus Q, so distance is less. So there is more effect of positive potential, whereas this Q is far from P. Negative charge का potential P पर कम रहेगा. So which is dominant potential? Positive potential. And so the answer was positive. Whereas when you look at S is close to negative charge. So here it will have more negative potential. And it is at long distance from positive charge. तो इसका influence यहाँ पे कम रहेगा. So that's why answer was negative. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next topic, according to text, is simple and very trivial. So I'm showing directly in the textbook. It is potential due to a system of charges. Yeah, one thing I forgot. Let us discuss at a stretch. Potential due to point charge. What was formula? KQ by R. Do you remember?
Yes.
Now V due to a dipole. It is plus or minus
Minus
Kp by
by
Kp by R square.
R square.
Right? So this means potential due to a point charge varies as 1 by R, whereas potential due to a dipole varies as 1 by R square.
R square.
So ये feature है, दो difference है, so one has to keep in mind. Okay. It is given in text here also. Okay.
Page number.
Camera was having some test over it. Okay, now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Topic
Yes,
is
sir.
potential due to a system of charges. Let's look in the diagram. We have got charge Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. And these are the distances. Okay. So what will be the potential at this point P? So you have
Sum
to
of
find
all potential.
sum of
Sum
all
of all
potential. V1 is potential due to Q1, V2 due to Q3. And when you add all of them, see, this is scalar formula.
We get
There are
V.
no vector sign over it. It's much more convenient. Because had it been electric field, you have to bother about direction. And that's the advantage. And that's what Darshan was saying about that E equal to dV by dr. We'll come to that part. But that's the advantage that in chapter 1, it was more difficult. Electric field we are dealing with, and they are vectors. Whereas in this chapter, we are dealing with potential. It is scalar. So it gives us much more mathematical convenience. Okay. and on next page they have given this is the addition. Okay,
Yes.
so I'm not elaborating, it is very trivial thing. We are left with 2 minutes. So homework question, shall I give on WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's the PDF.
ओके, थोड़ा आपका अभी 1.5 मिनट बाकी है, टेस्ट ले लेता हूँ. I'm showing uniform electric field rightward. If I put 1 coulomb charge here, where would it go?
Rightward.
Rightward? Okay. There must be a plate here and there must be a plate here also. Which charge I should show on them?
On the rightward, negative charge.
Negative.
This should be negative and this should
Left
be
positive.
Positive.
Okay, going further. This is A and this is B.
Dipole.
You want to, no, not dipole. These are 2 points and you want to shift 1 coulomb from A to B and second time from B to A. Which one will require more effort?
B to A.
B to A.
B to A.
B2A.
A. So can you tell me whose potential would be higher, VB or VA?
VB.
VA.
VA.
V.
So I'm giving 3 options.
VA.
VA greater than VB, VA less than VB,
Time
VA
खत्म.
equal to VB.